Hello everyone, I am Vidhur, a mechanical engineer intern at ToDo Calculator. Today I will be talking about my calculator that I have designed to find out the mass of a substance when volume and density is known. This is the objective calculation of the amount of mass of a substance when its density and volume are known. This is my assigned task, and the instructions for this task will be inputting numbers in correct SI units, that is density in kg per meter cube and volume in meter cube. Calculator details. A calculator designed to calculate the amount of mass present in a substance when the substance density and volume are known. This relation is fundamental in fluid mechanics, material science, and many other fields to understand the properties of materials. This is done using a simple relation between mass, density, and volume, where density is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. This is the calculator link. Conclusion. In conclusion, the mass of any substance can be found using its simple relation with density and volume, that is, density is mass by volume. Special thanks to references from Fluid Mechanics by Yunus A. Sengel and M. Simbala. References are the same. Thank you.